Hi guys!
What?
Hi guys!
Hi guys.
We're gonna do... Stop touching the thing, please.
I got
Hi guys! What are we gonna do? We're gonna do what's in my hospital bag. Baby number 3.
It's me. I am too.
You are 3 too.
Okay.
So, ito yung laman ng ating bag. Tabo, meron tayong tabo. Tabo para sa paghugas ng puwet. Kasi wala silang bidet dito. Meron tayong toiletries like toothpaste and toothbrush sa akin at saka kay Mister. What we have in here? Meron tayong shampoo, body soap. May move, Charlotte, please.
Okay.
Meron tayong body soap. Meron tayong... You wait for mommy. I'm not done with this plastic yet. Shampoo, body soap, and then meron tayong facial. This one is lotion. This one is facial cleanser, and this one is for daddy shampoo. And ito is pang Frida Frida. Helpful siya kasi parang wala kasing bidet sa toilet nila sa hospital. So, igana mo lang siya or sa bat mo. Ayan siya. Nagamit ko to sa kanya and sa kanya.
What is this, Mom?
Very helpful siya. Tapos, yung tabo natin, lagyan natin ng tubig. Tapos, kung hindi pa enough yung water dito, i-pour lang natin parang refill kasi pag magdala tayo ng bucket, sobrang laki naman, bulky. Wala tayong paglagyan. So, ayan, yung ating toiletries. Put it back, please.
Okay.
We're gonna go on to the next. So, I don't know kung ilang days tayo doon. You wait, Charlotte, wait. Pero, i-induce nila ako on my 37 weeks, which is gonna be on Saturday na. Okay, next ziplock tayo. Meron tayo dito. Ito yung diaper, adult diaper, panty siya. Gamit ko din to. This is for mommy. It's too big. Oh. No need na to wear underwear.
That one for us.
Okay.
That one is my panty. That one's
Mas
mine.
gusto ko to kaysa sa kanilang mesh underwear. Meron silang, yung hospital, nagpo-provide sila ng mesh underwear, pero napaka-see-through niya. Especially, ano ka lang hospital gown. So, ito yung prefer ko. Tapos, meron tayong newborn diaper in case.
Mommy, that's
Pero usually, sa dalawa, yeah. Usually, sa dalawa nito, yung hospital, nag-provide sila lahat, yung damit, while nagstay kami sa hospital for how many days, and wipes, and diaper. So, ito is pang in case lang, in case wala. Kasi bagong ano naman to, ibang hospital na naman tayo, mga anak. Pero the same butler. And ito yung pang baby's clothes.
Open it.
Meron akong dito newborn. Wait, Charlotte.
Okay.
Meron akong newborn and 0 to 3 months. Kasi malaki siya.
Open it.
Even the doctor is saying na malaki yung baby. Siya kasi maliit din siya. Amelia!
My hand is wet.
Stop playing with water, please. So, meron akong newborn and 0 to 3 months. Pang take home, pag ano na, pag mag home time na. Ito lang ay ano,
Open it.
options lang, mga choices lang dito, meron. And especially, ano mainit na ngayon dito. We don't need to open it. And then, mayroon akong t-shirt, may bra.
Oh, there you go.
Don't touch, please.
I'm not touching it.
Tapos, yung kay Mister na damit, isang pair lang yung dinala ko. May underwear, socks, may short pants, at saka my t-shirt. Short. Another sock. Okay, and then, I'll show that one.
I'll show the blanket. Where did the blanket?
The purple blanket.
It's me. This is me.
No, babies.
Oh, it's baby.
Baby sister.
Recording.
Baby sister.
Yeah. And then another blanket in case on the way home.
Towel for this doll. This is the
And then this is a washcloth. Kasi prefer namin magdala ng aming own washcloth and rags and towel. Meron silang towel doon nung ma-admit ako for 2 days. Ayan. That's it. That's not it. This is a pad. Ayan. So, yan yung ating, that's our,
children.
uh,
I like this teacher.
okay. That's our hospital bag. Wala nang ibang abubot. That's all kasi provided naman ng hospital para sa kay baby while staying in the hospital. Tapos magdadala tayo ng charger, ng water, and this one especially, I like this. And meron akong sleepers. Where's the sleepers?
Watch out!
And dito meron akong sleepers. Gamitin sa hospital. That's it!
Yeah, George.
So, meron tayong 3 kana. 3 girls. Thank you guys for watching! Charlotte, bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Go.
Bye-bye.
Cool.